I have POTS. Will the program help me? Yes, we have many patients with POTS, either exclusively with POTS, or indeed where POTS is a secondary symptom to the primary diagnosis. So if you have POTS, once again, we believe POTS is a symptom that is caused by a dysregulated nervous system. Because it is your nervous system that controls your heart rate, your blood pressure, your ability to stand up, sit down, and how the system then activates and responds and is flexible to those differing changes. And if that is compromised, if the nervous system is compromised, the hypothalamus is compromised, then of course POTS will be an outcome, like many other outcomes. Another outcome can be a challenge with high or low temperatures. The system can't respond effectively to high and low temperatures because, once again, the nervous system is affected. The autonomic nervous system that controls your heart rate, your temperature, etc.